Hi guys, I've just got my new camera today because the one we're filming with now is not very good. Well, it is good, but the sound's not great on it. So I'm going to get into the unboxing. I don't really know what it is because it's my first time unboxing it. So basically we've got the manuals and stuff, which I'm going to put down here. Just have a look at them. I don't know what they are really. We've got a CD to install stuff on it, onto your computer, and just a bunch of stuff there. Right, so now I'm going to try to open it. Oh, here we go. Right, so here we've got the, what's this? This is the AV cable. Right, we've got the AV cable there. We've got the, what's this? I think this is the charger. Oh, this is the monitor hood. The HDMI thing. Monitor hood HDMI thing. Right, and then we've got the, I think this is the charger, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, this is the USB cable mini. And then we've got the, what's this? The charger. Right, this was definitely the charger. Yeah, the charger, I think. And then we've got the lens cover and the strap where you can hold the camera in your hand. We've got this. Oh no, I think this is the charger. Oh, this is the charger. The other thing, well, I think it was an American one. Yeah, it was an American charger. And then we've got, don't know what this is, what's this? Then we've got the camera to clip on, so you can zoom further, I think. Yeah, it is. It's a zooming lens. Core filter. The core filter. Don't know what that means. Wait. Oh no, it's the viewfinder. The viewfinder. Right. And then we've got the lens cover. I'm pretty sure this is the lens cover. Yeah, the lens cap. And then we've got the battery pack. This is the battery, so it's quite big and it's quite heavy, to be honest. Probably about £half a pound. Don't really know. This thing is the lens cap, which is basically, I think you just put it on something your camera in case you don't want it to get scratched when you're carrying it around. And then I'm just going to take everything out to show you how it is. The charger, it's wrapped up quite nice. The AV cable. The AV cable here. They're all wrapped up in these things, so it's quite easy to keep together. And we've got the HDMI thing. The lens cover cap to make the quality a bit better. And the lens cover. The strap, which you can hold the camera in your hand with, I think. Oh no, I don't know what it is. Oh yeah, it is. And last but not least, we have got the American charger thing. Right, so now I'm going to move all this stuff away and we're going to get into the camera. So I'm going to be careful because this camera's expensive. Right, see what else in here. Let's just check. Nothing. Oh wait, there's something else. And we've got what's this? Oh, it's something to charge something with. I think it'll be this one because of the plug, and the same plug is there. Wait. And there's the same plug. So I think that's what it is. Right, so we're going to move all this stuff aside. Right, now there's still something else. Right, when you do this, make sure you don't miss out because there's loads of stuff in here. Oh, bubble wrap cap. That's a pain. I think this is the core filter. Yeah, this is the core filter. And then we've got, no, there's not much there, that's everything. Right, then we've got everything out of the way. Now we're coming to the camera. Right, take that off. We've got some bubble wrap. And here's the camera. It's really good, you can zoom in far, it's good quality. Before you do out, you need to charge the battery, I think. So, yeah, camera's really good. It's expensive, but it's quite professional. So yeah, thanks for watching, make sure to subscribe. And yeah, watch the next video. Goodbye.